So what are WordPress configurations? Well, basically, after you even are done installing WordPress, it's a fully functional website, but it has a few things there. One part of it is sample content, and this is a good thing. It shows you kind of where things are and where to go. So some of the sample content is a post, and again, this is, since WordPress is by default a blog, a post is the standard thing you create to do your blog. WordPress also has the ability to have more static content in the form of pages. So there's a sample page. And because WordPress wants to encourage discussion about the different blog posts, there is a default comment that's also built in when you are done installing WordPress. Additionally, as part of how you change the appearance of WordPress, there will be a few different themes involved, and each theme does have changes the appearance of your WordPress website. So there's a few themes there. There's also a couple plugins that may or may not be useful right out of the gate for using WordPress. Another thing related to the configuration is WordPress has an area called settings, and in there are a few sub areas. And these are where you actually now control how you want WordPress to look. And so there's an area called general, which will have things like the name of your blog or your website and the URL, different things about how you want to write your posts, how you want your posts to be seen for reading. And then there are some additional settings for discussion, how people can comment, how media, in this case predominantly images when you upload them to WordPress, how those are handled. And finally, there's a section called permalinks. And permalinks are the URLs of how each post shows up when you create it, and there are different configurations there. So in conclusion about configuring your WordPress website, again, there are a few things related to WordPress configurations after you get WordPress installed you may want to look at. One is just to review the sample content that's there, and then probably go ahead and delete it just to clean up things, but also to make your site personalized. And then there are a number of settings that WordPress has, and those allow you to change different aspects of WordPress. Hope this helps.